Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2027 Mack VVIP Motorcouch, conceived as a rolling 7-star hotel on wheels, epitomizes the pinnacle of luxury, engineering, and customized living in the recreational vehicle sector. Leveraging the esteemed legacy of Mack trucks, recognized for their durable construction and lasting performance, this VVIP Motorcouch beyond the conventional, providing an exceptional mobile experience tailored for the most demanding global elite. The basis of this mobile residence is the renowned Mack truck chassis, expertly designed for exceptional durability, stability, and unparalleled comfort. The outside design will embody a harmonious blend of strength and sophistication. Envision an authoritative figure characterized by sleek, aerodynamic contours, constructed from sophisticated, lightweight alloys and composites to maintain structural integrity while preserving agility. The paint finish will be a custom, multi-layer deep gloss, potentially incorporating distinctive metallic flakes or pearlescent elements, imparting an immediate sense of exclusivity. Expansive panoramic smart glass windows will prevail on the sides, delivering stunning vistas while ensuring total seclusion and insulation when required. Concealed compartments for ample storage would be seamlessly integrated into the body, along with a deployable awning system that stretches to form an outdoor living area. The front would exhibit a formidable presence, incorporating sophisticated LED lighting systems that are both utilitarian and visually appealing. The general image conveys subtle strength and unmistakable grandeur, suggesting the opulence contained within. Entering the 2027 Mack VVIP Motorcouch resembles entering a carefully crafted, ultra-luxurious hotel suite. The designation 7-star signifies a degree of personalization and opulence that exceeds conventional luxury standards. The interior will exemplify unparalleled craftsmanship, showcasing the highest quality materials procured from worldwide sources. Envision hand-stitched Italian leather upholstery, rare exotic wood veneers, polished natural stone, and custom fabricated metallic embellishments. The floor plan will be completely customized to suit the owner's unique lifestyle and requirements. The design may include an opulent salon for hosting, equipped with luxurious, bespoke seats, a cutting-edge entertainment system featuring retractable high-definition screens, and a comprehensive sound system comparable to that of a concert hall. The galley kitchen would be an Epicurean ideal, equipped with premium, residential-grade appliances, ample counter space composed of solid surface materials, and a climate-controlled wine cellar. The private quarters would provide unmatched comfort and tranquility. A master suite, exceeding the dimensions of numerous urban flats, would feature a king-sized bed, an expansive walk-in wardrobe, and a luxurious bathroom equipped with a full-sized shower, a deep soaking tub, and dual vanities. Supplementary guest suites, each equipped with private amenities, would guarantee that all occupants enjoy an equivalent standard of luxury. The 2027 Mack VVIP Motorcouch will exemplify technological integration. A sophisticated smart home automation system, managed through touchscreens, voice commands, or a specialized mobile application, would oversee all aspects including lighting, climate control, entertainment, security, and the operation of expandable portions. The vehicle will be engineered for optimal self-sufficiency, with an extensive solar power system, a sophisticated lithium-ion battery bank, and a high-capacity water purification and waste management system, enabling prolonged habitation in isolated areas without sacrificing comfort. High-speed satellite internet and communication systems would provide uninterrupted connectivity, while sophisticated driver assistance systems, featuring autonomous driving capabilities and a 360-degree video system, would improve safety and operational convenience. The 2026 Mack VVIP Motorcouch is a mobile estate, engineered to deliver an exceptional living and travel experience. It reinterprets luxury, providing a mobile refuge that is both resilient and proficient, as well as elegantly furnished.